Imagine a world where homes are not only built with unparalleled efficiency, but are also hubs of futuristic technology, sustainability, and personalized design. Visionary concepts of prefab homes are pushing the boundaries of traditional architecture, blending innovation with practicality. The modular nature of prefab homes allows for infinite customization, enabling homeowners to expand and modify their living spaces with ease, mirroring the ever-evolving dynamics of modern life. Envision prefab homes that can be constructed in remote or disaster-stricken areas within days, providing immediate relief and sustainable living solutions. Prefab homes are set to redefine our understanding of living spaces, making advanced, eco-friendly, and personalized housing accessible to all, heralding a new era in the way we live. Please visit our website for more details.